Hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. Ethereum is still performing quite well. We're still tracking an overall uptrend here on the chart in a third wave rally to the upside. I will share with you, I will change the wave degrees here a little bit in order to be able to provide some more detail in the wave structures. All that means is I just have to raise the wave degrees here on this smaller time frame by 1. Because again, that allows me to add another layer of microstructures to the chart. I shared with you earlier today a micro support area that is still holding. So we want to highlight what the nanostructures would be here in this move to the upside. And again, the idea is a B wave bottom there in June, and we're now moving up in a 5-wave pattern to the upside. And it shows you that there needs to be, well, nothing needs to happen, but ideally we get another higher low in wave 4. But there's no sign that this wave 4 has started yet. And another high in wave 5 of an even larger third wave. And another wave 4 and another wave 5. And that would give us the roadmap to all-time highs. And that's what I've been tracking for a bit. Yeah, together with you. I mean, we've been tracking this together, right? Now, let's zoom in a little bit. And what you can see on this chart here is the beginning potentially of this 5-wave move to the upside. This beginning of the 5th wave on Friday. So on the weekend, Ethereum didn't just chill. No, it just actually formed a new high. And if we zoom in a little bit, you can see that the idea is that we're now in this 5th wave of circle wave 5 of 3. And it doesn't look quite complete. So we only have 3 waves up so far from that low. And actually, I might need to include here the 61.8 Fib level as support, and I will show you why. Now, you can see that this initial move up looks like a 3-wave move up. And that kind of makes sense if we consider that this is a 5th wave, which might be an ending diagonal. So wave 1 of 5 might be an ABC structure. That also means that wave 3 of 5 would be an ABC structure, yeah? And if we're dealing with an ending diagonal pattern, then we have to allow a 4th wave to retrace to the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, in this case at $3,630. So the idea is this: wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. I mean, has it topped or not? Maybe it has, yeah. But either way, we have a support area that we can track here on the chart that would support this 4th wave pullback. And wave 4 should ideally find support before we break below $3,630. So the overall pressure remains up on this chart. There is, of course, a potential that we get a corrective pullback. But overall, it's important to understand that the price is in an overall uptrend, yeah, and just that this corrective pullback here is maybe just wave 4 of wave 5. Only below $3,630, we can really confirm that a top has formed. I'm talking about a more substantial top. Basically, it takes a break below that level as a first indication that this larger degree third wave has topped, and we're coming down in this 4th wave. But do we actually need to adjust support for this 4th wave? I think we might need to. Just based on the latest high, just a little higher. And that would shift the support area to this area between $3,079 and $3,455. So that's our support area. For now, the overall direct uptrend remains intact. And it seems unfinished, so we might need another higher low and another higher high. So that's at the moment what I'm tracking here on the Ethereum chart. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure you follow us on X as well for additional updates, additional videos, additional analysis if you're interested. So yeah, check it out. I've linked it in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.